Hey guys, it's Lisa. As promised, I'm back for another episode with my 2022 C8 hardtop Corvette. And if you want to see me installing the Radiator Grille store grills, or if you want to see me talking about the build sheet for the Corvette, click here and here, and subscribe and like and comment below. Spoiler alert, we're going to install the RSC duckbill spoiler. In order to install the duckbill spoiler, we have to remove the bumper. The first step to removing the bumper is opening the trunk. The next step is to get your T15 Torx, and to get this hidden one here, go all the way down until you get to the last hidden one here. Take your box cutter for the spoiler unboxing. Oh my God, guys, how good is this going to look? The exposed carbon fiber weave. You want to make sure you protect your paint before you remove the screws. We're going to remove the two T15s and the 7mm to access the two T15s behind the splash guard. So we're going to need to remove the splash guard. Remove the splash guard to access the two T15s. Pro tip, use the socket with the T15 so you don't have to remove the wheels. Push back the wheel liner to access the two 7mm bolts and the one 10mm nut. Pro tip, extensions are your friend. It's time to put on my RGS outfit. We have to remove the bumper to get to the spoiler screws, but don't try it alone. Everybody needs a friend. This is my beautiful friend, Sonia. She's going to help me lift the bumper up and out, but be careful when you're doing that to make sure you disconnect the 3 electrical connections. And this is how you do it.
Connector 1, connector 2, and connector 3.
Pro tip, make sure you pull this red tab all the way. Oh shit. I just broke it.
What'd you do?
I broke the
What'd you do?
I broke the red tip.
Oh, fuck.
I pulled the fuck out of that thing. And then you want to press in the middle before you disconnect the connector.
In order to access the silver spoiler bolts, we first need to remove the left, middle, and right taillights.
Okay, now we're going to take out the 4 10mm spoiler screws that Sonia talked about. The spoiler is held on by double-sided tape, so to loosen that, you want to use
A heat gun.
and then gently pry off the spoiler. Okay, we're going to remove the backing on the double-sided tape, and we're going to align the spoiler onto the bumper.
And after the spoiler is aligned on the bumper, you're going to simply reinstall your 4 bolts.
So if you get this far, this is the easy part, putting it back on. And I think it looks amazing. Sonia, what do you think?
It's incredible. It really complements the rest of the car. Super impressive.
If you guys are happy with this, please comment, like, subscribe for more content. My friends get watches, and I get spoilers. Remove the splash guard to access the two T15s. Pro tip, use the socket. Socket to remove the T15. Use the socket with the T15 so you don't have to remove the wheels. Don't do it alone. Everybody needs a friend.
I didn't blink.
Everybody needs a friend.
Oh, they hit my head. Fuck. Do it again.
And be careful that you see the connections
That we need to disconnect.
that you have to disconnect.
Redo.
Oh my God. I don't know.
Gotta put all the rest of the screws back in now.
Oh my God. There, you guys are done.
2 niners.
That's a wrap. Oh wow.